The first thing I got to do with that is to determine which one's dripping. Is it the hot water side or the cold water side? Well, on the drip, if you feel it, you might be able to tell. This one's kind of slightly warm, so I believe it's going to be the hot water side. So I'm going to reach down under here and I'm going to turn off the hot water and hope that the water goes off all the way. Sometimes these handles have a tendency to want to break, snap off. See there? It's off. Okay, that's good. And I think for the sake of argument, I don't think this has a mixer valve to where when I try to take this cartridge off, the water from the cold side is going to go off. If you've got a question about that, you could shut off the water to the cold too. And I think I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm shutting that off. Voila. Okay. But the one I'm going to tackle is this hot water side. Okay. Let's get her going, shall we? That's all I got for this time. And I'll be back with more videos.